Hi everyone, Kat here. Got our preheated oven to 250, and what I have here is a prime rib. That's a 6.5 pound prime rib that's been seasoned with some rosemary, garlic, black pepper, sea salt, and MSG. MSG is always optional. This has been seasoned and sat overnight for at least 10 hours, so make sure it sits overnight, uncovered in the fridge. And then now we're getting ready to put it into our oven. Temperature is at 250, preheated the oven at 250. And in it goes. And it's gonna sit in there until the core temperature of the roast gets to be about 130, right honey?
130.
130, yeah. For a medium rare. All right, we'll check back. Okay, that's been there for 2 hours. You know how to poke it in the middle, not from the side. Yeah. And we're just trying to get the core temperature to reach 130, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Might take a bit longer.
It's at 88 right now. 89.
It's gonna need a couple more hours.
Yeah, it's at 89. 88. So let's let it sit.
Okay. Okay, let's check it again. It's been in there for another hour and a half. So the temperature is supposed to reach 130. Still at 115.
Oops, too far in.
Oh, almost. So it depends where, huh, you put on that.
Yeah, you want to get in the middle. Because when it
So
first plunges through, it's going to be hot. And then on the center.
So that's about right, honey.
129.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, anywhere from 125 to 130.
Yeah.
See, watch, it'll go down. We're pretty close there. So that's about right. We could take it out now.
Take it out and let it rest?
Yeah, let it rest for half an hour.
Okay, careful.
And it's kind of cold in the house right now.
Yeah. Looks nice so far.
Maybe 15 minutes or something.
Yeah, it's very cold in the house, so it shouldn't take too long to rest. But yeah, we'll let this rest, and then we're gonna put it back in the oven to sear it.
At 500. At
500 to get that nice seared, caramelized look, right?
Get that char.
Yeah. Okay, let it rest. Okay guys, this has been resting for 30 minutes. Now we're gonna sear it to brown it even more. Okay, so preheat the oven to 550, honey?
Yeah, as high as your
oven can go, and that's gonna be on broil. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in there. I think he's gonna do it for about 6 to 10 minutes. You can keep an eye on it, but we're going to start with 6.5 minutes. Okay. We're using a flashlight to see. See, it's on broil, so that's what we're trying to do, is just to get it brown from the top.
Yeah, it's broiling it.
Teamwork, mi amor.
Yeah, it's browning all that fat. That's rendered fat.
Yeah. The good stuff, guys. The good stuff. The fat. Alrighty. Woo! It's smoking in there. Time to pick it out. It was only there for like 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Ooh. So at least it's just the top and just the fat. But look, it's very hot. It's sizzling. Okay, so do we take it out and let it rest before we cut it again, or?
Yeah, we're done, and then next stage is to carve it up.
All right.
It's ready to serve.
Ooh.
That's all the garlic burning on the top, so
I know,
it's fine. That's real garlic, not the powdered garlic.
Sizzling. Can you hear that? Sizzling? Okay. Okay, guys, time to carve it up. Should we cut this off first?
Yeah, it's just gonna be along the outside, so it's not a big deal.
Cut it off.
Yeah, you don't want any burnt flavor.
Yeah.
But some of that is tasty, you know.
Yeah.
So.
And then since this is bone in, we gotta cut the bone. Let's see. The reveal.
This is gonna look a little bit raw here. You could also cut it some more. I mean, cook it some more. If you wanna.
Let's see. I have to get it better.
Yeah, there you go. Bone is tasty too.
Ta-da! Woo! It's perfect.
Yeah, it looks like it's cooked pretty well.
Yeah. This is gonna be mine. Okay, let's pause it for a second. Okay. Let's move this out of the way. And then we're gonna carve it this way. Hope my knife is sharp enough. About this thick, huh, babe?
Yeah, 1 inch. Mm-hmm. That's a good.
Ooh, look at that. Juicy and tender and doneness is the way we like it, huh?
Yeah, medium rare.
I mean, I want to try. I need to try this. Let me see. Gotta try it. I've been waiting for so long. Mmm.
Good?
Very good. Very good.
All right.
Let's do another cut.
Successful then. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, look at that, guys. Prime rib. Now I just need some au jus, some horseradish. Look at that. Beautiful. Isn't it? Let's eat. And voila! Yummy, juicy, tender prime rib with some creamy horseradish, fresh horseradish, with some au jus sauce, potatoes, asparagus, broccoli florets. Yummy, yummy. All right, guys, from my family to yours, happy Thanksgiving, and thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, guys, this is what's left of the 6.5 pound roast for a family of 4. We ate a lot, and this is what's left of it. This is like the end cut of the roast. So you know that it was a yummy, yummy roast.